How to collab with another creator on TikTok. To collab with another creator on TikTok, first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now scroll down or simply tap on this plus icon to initiate a post. Now, you can also choose to upload it or simply record one. Go ahead and tap next, and once again tap next to this posting page or the final page. You should be able to find the invite collaborators tool over here, or if you don't find it over here, you can use the TikTok Studio application, which must have the invite collaborators option. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it and use the search bar at the top to type the exact username of the creator, and once you find it, go ahead and tap on their username. Then you simply have to tap done and proceed to post it. This is how you can use collab feature with another creator on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.